know these 3 mysterious facts about seagulls? Mysterious fact 1. Did you know that seagulls can drink seawater? That's right. Thanks to special salt glands near their eyes, they can filter out salt and drink seawater easily. Mysterious fact 2. Seagulls are surprisingly intelligent birds. They can use tools like rocks or tree branches to crack open shells and find food. Mysterious fact 3. Finally, they are not just lonely wanderers. Seagulls form lifelong bonds and even perform special dances when looking for a mate. What do you think about these 3 mysterious facts about seagulls? If you know any mysterious facts, please comment below to share with everyone. Thanks for watching.